Hi everyone, here is my quick audio tip. I am a keyboard player and it's easier for me to play keyboards, but sometimes I want to get creative and I just want to capture some audio and turn it into MIDI. Maybe I just have something in my head. If you're not able to play your ideas quickly onto a keyboard, this is a great tip, I think, for you. So I'm here in Logic Pro X, which I love to use. We're going to do a little recording. Track my voice. Maybe that's my idea for a melody. And then maybe we want to translate that to a synth part, to a piano part. So what we can do is we can go into here. We can turn on flex time. We can choose flex pitch right up at the top. We double click on our vocals. And then we go into here, edit. And from there we go create MIDI track from flex pitch data. And there we go. So that idea that I just sang is here and created in the MIDI. And there's so many different possibilities that you could do with this idea. If you want to get creative and maybe vocals are your strong point, you can just sing your ideas and transfer them into MIDI. And that is my quick tip, and keep creating.